Alright, so hey, we're going to talk about some of my favorite things to actually do throughout the course of the season, and that's going to be creating a lawn care routine. Essentially simple steps for a lush, green lawn. So here's the deal, a great lawn doesn't happen by accident. It's not about just throwing down some seed and hoping for the best. It's about consistency, it's about routine, it's about when you follow the right steps at the right time of the year, your lawn will then pay you back with thicker, greener, healthier grass that will make you the house of the neighborhood. So what is the best lawn care routine? Let's dive into that right now. So step one, seasonal timing is everything. Every season plays a different role. Spring is all about setting the stage. Pre-emergence, fertilization, aeration in some cases. Summer is going to be more so your maintenance mode. You're going to be watering, mowing, and pest control. Fall then is going to be for recovery, for overseeding, for feeding, as well as then for prepping for winter. And winter, really, that's the planning stage. So steps 2 here is going to be making sure that you're feeding your lawn right. So you wouldn't go to the gym and skip meals, right? Same with your lawn. It needs the right nutrients at the right time. So be sure to use a balanced fertilizer in early spring, a slow release feed in summer, and a high nitrogen boost in the fall. Don't just grab any bag, know your grass type, and know your soil needs. Step 3 here is going to be watering, right? So water deep, not often. Here's the mistake people make all the time. Light, daily watering. That's actually going to weaken your lawn. You want the water to be deep, about 1 inch per week, to encourage strong root growth. Early mornings is going to be best. Less evaporation, fewer lawn diseases. Step 4 here is going to be mowing smart, right? So your mower can make or break your lawn. Be sure to keep those blades sharp, never cut more than 1/3 of the grass height, and switch up your mowing pattern to avoid the ruts. A pro tip here is going to be taller grass equals deeper roots and better weed resistance. Step 5 here is going to be staying ahead of the weeds and also the pests. So weeds and pests, they're the squatters of your lawn, right? Don't let them move in. Pre-emergence in the spring, stop weeds before they start. Spot treat what sneaks through, and then keep an eye out for lawn pests. Bare patches, yellowing, or odd grass textures, all those that could then be signs something's eating at the roots. The final thoughts here is that there's no magic trick to a great lawn. It's about doing the basics really well, consistently. Most homeowners aren't consistent, and that's why the results are average. If you want better results, stick to the routine. And if you ever need help dialing it in, that's what we do.